Hey there, slime adventurers! Welcome to a totally awesome tour of the Slimeverse. Get ready, because we are about to explore some of the most amazing, squishy, and wonderfully weird slime worlds you've ever even imagined. Our guide on this fantastic journey is the friendliest slime blob in the entire cosmos. Gloopy! Look, there he is! Everybody wave hello to Gloopy! He's gonna show us all the secrets of the Slimeverse. Okay, let's get started. Whoa, look at this place. Our very first stop is the magnificent shiny crystal caves. Everything here just sparkles and gleams. It's so smooth and shiny. This is the home of some of the most classic slimes in the entire slime universe. Okay, our first discovery is clear slime. It is completely see-through, just like polished glass or a perfect crystal. This makes it absolutely perfect for showing off anything you want to mix in, like sparkly glitter or maybe some cute little charms. And just look how stretchy it is. Ooh, you gotta check this one out. Next up is glossy slime. It's not see-through, but it has this incredible super shiny surface, kind of like a freshly glazed donut. It's super thick, which is just perfect for poking, and for making the loudest, most amazing bubble pops. All right, hold on tight, everyone. Gloopy is whisking us away to our next stop. We're floating up, up, up to the fluffy cloud kingdom. Oh wow, everything here is unbelievably soft and airy. It is like a dream come true. And here it is, the famous fluffy slime. It feels just like you're holding a big, soft, puffy cloud right in your hands. It's not as stretchy as clear slime, but it's so light and poofy and airy that you just won't want to put it down. So, what's the secret? What makes fluffy slime so wonderfully fluffy? The secret is actually pretty simple. It's shaving cream. Just a few puffy clouds of it mixed into a white glue base totally transforms the slime into this amazing cloud-like creation. Isn't that cool? Now, over in this corner of the kingdom, we have butter slime. It has this unique texture that's super soft, creamy, and incredibly easy to mold. You can even spread it out so smoothly with a slime knife, just like you're buttering a piece of toast. Are you wondering what the magic ingredient is for this creamy, spreadable texture? Well, the secret is a little bit of clay. By mixing in some soft clay, you can turn a regular slime into this amazing, buttery soft creation that holds its shape and is so much fun to squish and swirl. Okay, adventurers, you're going to want to put on your listening ears for this. Gloopy is leading us deep into the crunchy caverns. This part of the Slimeverse is all about awesome sounds. Every single slime in here makes a super satisfying noise when you play with it. Our first find is a total classic, foam. This slime is absolutely jam-packed with tiny foam beads. When you squish it, you get this amazing, loud crunch that is just so satisfying. It's like a party for your ears and your hands. Whoa, can you hear that sizzle and crackle? This is snow fizz slime. It's made with a special ingredient called instant snow, and it creates this totally unique sound and feel. It's seriously like stretching out a fizzy soda pop right in your hands. Now this one is really special. It's called Bingsu slime, and it's filled with these tiny curled plastic beads that look like little shiny straws. They give it a super fine texture and a high-pitched, satisfying crunch that's different from any other slime. A must-try for any crunch fan, for sure. This next one feels amazing. Icee slime has a wet, cool, and slushy texture, just like a real frozen drink. It's made with clear glue and a lot of instant snow, which gives it that unique slushy feel and helps it make awesome sizzly sounds when you swish it. Wow, what a tour! We have seen so many incredible slimes. But now, Gloopy is taking us to a top-secret location, the Slime Alchemist's treasure chest. Right here, we're going to learn the magic behind how all these amazing slimes are actually made. You see, the secret is that almost all slimes start with one of two things. On one side, we've got clear glue. That's the key to making those see-through, crystal clear, and jelly slimes. And on the other, we have white glue, which is the perfect base for all those thick, glossy, and fluffy slimes. So how do we get all those amazing textures? It's all about the magic add-ins. We already know shaving cream makes slime fluffy. Then there's instant snow, which is the key for cloud, Icee, and snow fizz slimes. A little bit of soft clay creates that buttery, moldable feel. And of course, foam beads are what give Floam that incredible crunch. Now that you know the secrets to making different slime textures, it's time for the final super fun step, making your slime totally you. This is where you really get to be the artist and add your own personality. Seriously, the possibilities are endless. You can mix in these tiny polymer clay slices called phimos that look like little fruits or animals. You could add tons of chunky or fine glitter to make it sparkle and shimmer. You can even use special glow-in-the-dark glue to make a slime that lights up the night. Wow, our incredible tour is coming to an end. But you did it. You traveled all across the Slimeverse with me and Gloopy, from the shiny crystal caves all the way to the crunchy caverns. You've discovered so many amazing textures, and you even learned the alchemist's secrets. So the big question is, what comes next? Now that you're a slime expert, what kind of awesome, one-of-a-kind slime will you imagine and create? A glittery, crunchy butter slime? A glow-in-the-dark, fluffy slime? The Slimeverse is all yours to explore. Thanks so much for joining us on this adventure. Bye for now.